Hi friends, my name is Genevieve and today I'm going to be reading to you and to my friend Clover here, Good Night by Claire Masurel and Marie H. Henry. It's getting dark. Look at the sky. The moon is shining. The stars are twinkling. It's time to go to bed. Fluff up the pillows, pull down the covers, but wait, where is everyone? Zoe, Oscar, Jojo, Daisy, Max, Theo, where are you? Silly Max, it's not time to eat. It's time to go to bed. Silly Oscar, it's not time to play cards. It's time to go to bed. Silly Zoe, it's not time to read stories. It's time to go to bed. Silly Theo, it's not time to watch television. It's time to go to bed. Silly Jojo, it's not time to play hide and seek. It's time to go to bed. But wait, there is still someone missing. Where can she be? Maybe she's in the bathroom. There you are, silly Daisy. It's not bath time. It's time to go to bed. At last, everyone is tucked in. Good night. Good night, everybody.